Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, Bose sound system, quad seating, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Your new ride is just a phone call away.